It's Rumi, Mira, and Zoe from the band Huntrix. Huntrix! Woohoo! We love you! And we love our fans.
Rumi, will you marry me? Zoe, I love you. Mira, be my wife.
Wow, that's a marriage proposal.
Yeah.
We say yes.
Yes.
Wow.
We love you, beauties.
Oh, what a gorgeous ring. Huh? Oh, what do we do now?
You need a perfect plan.
It's a Huntrix wedding makeover. What's first on the list? Bachelorette party.
Yeah!
We're ready. You need a party look.
Let's go.
Help with the outfits.
Please.
Wow, Huntrix, I'm your biggest fan.
Oh.
Can I have your autograph, please?
Yes.
With love from Rumi.
Yay!
Thanks, girls. You're amazing. Take colorful tulle. A sewing kit is needed. Thread the needle. Gather it up. Now there are 3 veils. Can I have your feather? Decorate the edges. Bride-to-be. Attach a headband.
Wow.
Just right for the Bachelorette party. 1 for Mira, 1 for Rumi, and 1 for Zoe. Hurry to the party!
Yay!
Here we are. We want to have the best fun. Wait a sec. Pop. Even better now. Time for karaoke.
I walk in light that never fades. A spark that cuts through darker shades. No shadows dare to stay too long. I hear the beat, it pulls me higher like neon flames.
What's your favorite Huntrix song? Write it in the comments. Time for the next step. Putting it on the plan. We're off to the spa. We're so ready. Finally, you're coming with us. Our favorite spa center. Hop into the tub, girls. Wow, so relaxing. This is amazing. Told you so. Time for beauty treatments. Take white glue. Pour into bowls. Add colorful glitter. Sprinkle on top.
Good job.
Mix with a brush.
Nice.
Peel-off masks are ready. Apply to the doll's face. Wow, feels so nice. I like it too. We're gonna be beauties. Time's up. The mask comes off in one piece. My skin's so soft and velvety. Next is a pedicure. Place a basin. And Orbeez.
Good.
Fill with water. Wow, they grew so big.
Yay!
Whee, so nice. Perfect for dancing. Knock, knock.
Huh?
We have visitors. Let's open. Who's there?
Invite me to the spa.
You want treatments too? Come on. Time for your bath, kitty. Let's brush the fur. And a little perfume.
Perfect.
Phew, I'm tired from relaxing. How about lunch?
Wow.
Noodles, our favorite. Wait, where's Rumi?
Huh? Hey.
Time to try on dresses. That's our next step.
Woo! Yay!
But what about lunch? Don't forget the plan. Noodles or dresses? Girls, choose. Dress fittings are more important. Okay, the store is waiting for us. Welcome to the bridal salon. Wow, it's so beautiful here. I hope we find something. This dress is gorgeous. I want to try it on. All right, this'll do. Well, what do you think?
Huh?
I don't think this is your style, girls. You're right. Can you help?
Okay.
Change the design for Zoe. And Mira needs a shorter one, too. Much better. But something's missing. Decorate the shoulders with epaulettes. Golden tassels. Attach to the edges. A chic brooch. Wrap the hem with braid.
Good.
A chain for the belt. Puffy skirts. How do you like our outfits now? Mira and Zoe are such stylish brides.
Wow.
Gorgeous besties. I need a dress too. So puffy. No, this isn't it either. A banana dress? I don't want to look like a banana. Oh, I don't like anything here. Hey, sweetie, look at this one.
Huh? Oh my god.
Oh, it's gorgeous. The dress of my dreams. I want it, I want it, I want it.
Yes!
Price, 15,000 likes. But I don't have that many. Don't worry, bestie. Please thumbs up so Rumi can have the best dress. And we'll sing for you.
Feel the beat inside my chest. This is what I love the best. We're gonna dance all night long. Move until the break of dawn. Spinning round and round we go. Let the music-
Yay, we did it!
Yay!
Finally, it's mine. Now we're ready for the wedding. Not so fast, you need different shoes. Put on elegant little heels. Just lovely. The bridal look is complete. The girls look luxurious. Huntrix is ready to get married.
Meow, meow. It's time for your wedding.
Hello, cutie. Wedding? Already? Oh, we're already late! Run! Wait for me! Oops, need to paste this in. Is this our place? It's kind of messy here. Nothing is ready at all. So much trash. We need your help. Everything will be fixed, sweeties. Sweep up the mess. Phew, there's so much.
Good job.
Clear away everything extra. Get rid of the spider webs too. Vacuum the floor. Everything must shine. An arch is missing. A coat rack will work. Perfect. Remove the clothes.
Excellent.
Big fluffy flowers. Decorate the top.
Nice.
Cute bows. Curtains on the sides. Add columns.
Wow.
Wow, this is amazing! So many flowers, so beautiful.
Oh my.
The columns are so stylish. We're going to have the best wedding ever, girls! Where are grooms? Girls should not be kept waiting. I knew they'd change their minds. Shh, calm down. Can you find the guys? Yes, find them ASAP! Now, no need to worry. They'll be here in a moment. And here are our handsome guys.
I got a stain on my shirt.
My hair is a mess. We are not ready for the wedding at all. Stop pacing. Take the measurements. Waist, top length, sleeves. Your suits, gentlemen.
Oh my!
Don't forget boutonnieres, formal hats. Add shiny chains. Style the hair. Now you are real grooms.
Thank you!
Come on, guys. Here we are. My guy is definitely the best.
No, mine is better.
Which Saja boy do you like more? Write in the comments. I'm so happy.
Today's the best day ever.
Yes!
I'll love you forever, my darling.
It's a little quiet here. We need our lovely fans. Here they are.
Yay!
Huntrix, Huntrix.
Now the ceremony can begin. Zoe, Mira, and Rumi are now married.
Congratulations.
The wedding dance. How romantic. And now our favorite song.
Dance, that's all I wanna do. Dance, dance, dance. When I'm next to you, spin around the sound of the music.
Who has a gift for you? Take a little notebook. Stickers of Huntrix and Saja Boys. Place them on the cover.
Good.
Gold tape for the edges. A memory album. Place a photo. Secure the corners. Cut out pictures with scissors. Make a collage. So many happy moments. Nothing should fall out. Decorate with rhinestones and hearts. Here's the story of your love. It's your wedding gift.
Wow!
Wow, let's see it all together. So interesting. Remember how we met? You were so confident. I liked you right away.
And remember, the start of our group? We always believed in our success.
You're